Welcome back to the Alpha Mods, everybody. So today we're going to be doing the QV style carbon fiber side skirts. They're a little bit different style than the ones I got from Madness, but I think overall I'm going to end up liking them a lot, and it should be a really fun install. And just to show you guys, here's what I currently have versus what I'm going to be putting on. So they're much thicker, and I mean the weave seems to be about the same quality. It looks to have a nice clear coating as well, so we'll see how this goes. Your next step is going to be getting this 3M molding tape and putting it on the opposite side. I like to use some alcohol swabs, clean it off real well, and then attach it. Next, you're going to simply find where it's supposed to be. You're going to want to peel off the side, this side here, and this side here, and kind of get these red edges out so that you can kind of peel it as you stick it, and it should be pretty straightforward from there. I'll do some markings later on so I can show you guys exactly how far you need to go on each side. Alrighty everybody, so today's the next day, and it's gonna rain, so what I went ahead and did was put the black silicone on there. So you can see my brother's car, and then got my Camaro back there as well. But it looks great. The gap is completely filled. And same on this side. Now I don't have to worry about any water potentially getting in there. Well guys, I'm really happy with the result of these side skirts. They're so much more aggressive than the previous ones, and for the price, I mean, you can't really beat it. You get a beautiful carbon fiber weave, basically perfect filament, which I was like really surprised about. I did have a little bit of problems, but after doing 2 sets of side skirts, I kind of realized that it's my side skirt that has a problem and not the add-on pieces. So with that being said, I still went ahead and put a bead of black silicone around this area here, just so that no water gets in there and ruins the 3M tape. But man, that's just, I love the profile that it gives. I mean, it's definitely kind of gives it that nice like look that the QV has as far as how it sticks out. I think that I'm pretty happy with where the car is at cosmetically now. This was the side that had the larger gap, and it is now filled with that black silicone. So the car's a little bit dirty, but overall, man, I am happy with this. And just so I can give you guys some points of reference if you choose to buy this, if you want to look between that panel and where that's lined up, and also the relative position between here and here. So that should give you guys a decent idea of how it lines up. It is at this kind of like a slanted angle. These I got from, believe it or not, Aliexpress. They were $200 plus $200 shipping, but I got them within a week. So that's pretty much record time. UPS, Global Express, Saver, I believe, was the shipping that they used. But all in all, I'm gonna link where you can buy these. I mean, you don't bother buying, you know, the overpriced ones here in America. These are just fine for what they are. And you know, you don't spend an arm and a leg for something that looks really good, and it definitely does change the look overall. Installation, I'd say 3 out of 10.